Hey everybody, we are here at SEMA 2022 at the FLN reception. Now this is Nick Calaroso, the chair of FLN. We all know SEMA as the show that's actually behind us, right? We know what we think we know what SEMA is, but you could almost make the case that FLN is an example of what SEMA really is.
SEMA as an association really exists to create value for members. So that's why FLN exists as a network, is to create value for the members, for the volunteers.
What is your hope for FLN? What are your plans for FLN? Obviously it's a group effort, but you are the elected leader.
Kind of reshift our focus towards professional development to give a path to people who are under 40 in the industry to develop their careers, to learn skills, and that's why we created the professional development program. It was a unanimous effort with our select committee to come together to create a very high value program to give people a taste of the Dale Carnegie experience and really help them further their careers.
It's a shared experience, so you guys all naturally have that connection. It was really great. I feel like I have a built-in friend group at any SEMA function now, which is really fun. And it also changed my approach in my role in my company.
And I'd have to honestly say professionally the same thing. Yeah. You meet so many people in the industry, you see so many different things what people are doing, and I just think it's awesome to make those connections and just grow with each other.
You can go to SEMA.org/joinFLN. That's one thing you can do just to kind of read up on it. But more importantly, just come out to some of the networking events, connect, and get your place in this industry.